We are going to see in this exercise we are going to see it is a 12th standard science syllabus differentiation chapter exercise 1.4. okay, question number 1 हमने इसके पहले वाले वीडियो में ऑलरेडी सॉल्व करके लिया है. सो हियर इट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. फाइंड dy by dx if x is equal to a into cos cube theta and y is equal to a into sin cube theta. Then we have to find the value of dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 3. Then we have to find the value of dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 3. Now if you see here, both x and y are functions of theta. Both x and y are functions of theta. So here theta is a parameter. Okay, so using the derivatives of parametric function we will find here the derivative dy by dx. Now here I am starting with the solution. So x is equal to a into cos cube theta. So differentiate with respect to theta. So what is dx upon d theta? A taken outside, scalar taken outside. Apply the derivative to cos cube theta. So a taken outside, derivative of cos cube 3 into cos square theta into derivative of cos theta into derivative of cos theta. See what I have done here. A scalar taken outside, derivative applied to cos cube theta. Now it is a combination of two functions. First function is cube, first function is cube, second function is cos theta. So derivative of cube x raised to n 3 into cos square theta into derivative of cos theta. So it is equal to 3a cos square theta into derivative of cos theta is minus of sin theta. So this derivative is minus of 3a cos square theta into sin theta. Cos square theta into sin theta. Let this be 1. Now what is y? Y is equal to a into sin cube theta. A into sin cube theta. So differentiate with respect to theta. So what is dy by d theta? A scalar taken outside, derivative of sin cube theta. Derivative of sin cube theta. So it is equal to a into derivative of sin cube, cube का derivative आ जाएगा 3 into sin square theta into derivative of sin theta into derivative of sin theta. So it is equal to 3a sin square theta into derivative of sin theta is cos theta. Okay, so this is your value for dy by d theta. Now what we require, we have to find a value for dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 3. So first we will find a value for dy by dx. So by derivatives of parametric functions, what we will write? Dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx upon d theta. And what is dy by d theta? 3a into sin square theta into cos theta divided by minus of 3a cos square theta into sin theta. 3a get cancelled, cos theta cancelled with square, sin theta cancelled with square. So what is remaining? See, in the numerator sin theta is remaining, and in denominator you can take this minus sign in the numerator. In the denominator cos theta is remaining. Okay, so it is equal to minus of tan theta. Sin upon cos is minus of tan theta. But what we require? So at theta is equal to, we require the value of dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 3. So at theta is equal to pi by 3, what is the value of dy by dx? For theta is equal to pi by 3. Value of dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 3 is minus of tan of, instead at the, see here you will replace this theta by pi by 3. So minus of tan of pi by 3. So it is equal to minus of pi by 3 means what? 60 degree. So minus of 60, tan 60 is root 3. So it is minus of root 3. So the required answer dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 3 is minus of root 3. Okay, so what we have done here, from x and y as both are functions of theta, find a value for dx by d theta, dy by d theta, then find a value for dy by dx using the formula for derivatives of parametric function. So here we got the value for dy by dx, then find the value of dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 3, which is minus of root 3. Now similarly we will solve the second problem. So here it is from question number 2, it is a fourth problem. So x is equal to 2 into cos t plus cos of 2t, and y is equal to 2 into sin t minus sin 2t at t is equal to pi by 4. Find the value of dy by dx at t is equal to pi by 4. Now I am starting with the solution. So what is given? X is equal to 2 cos t plus cos of 2t. So differentiate with respect to t. So dx upon dt. See here both x and y are functions of t. So you have to differentiate with respect to t. So dx upon dt, I am directly applying derivative to both the terms. So here 2 scalar taken outside. Derivative of cos t is minus of sin t plus derivative of cos 2t is minus of sin 2t into derivative of 2t into derivative of 2t. So it is equal to minus 2 sin t minus sin 2t into derivative of 2t. 2 scalar taken outside, derivative of t is 1. Derivative of t is 1. So it is equal to minus 2 sin t minus 2 into sin of 2t. Okay, this is your value for dx by dt. This is your value for dx by dt. cos t का डेरिवेटिव आ गया माइनस साइन t, cos 2t का डेरिवेटिव आ गया माइनस ऑफ साइन 2t into derivative of 2t into derivative of 2t. 2 scalar taken outside, derivative of t is 1. ये 2 हमने यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. Both the terms are minus. Now here, and what is next? Y is equal to 2 sin t. What is the value for y? Y is given 2 sin t minus sin 2t. So differentiate with respect to t. So dy by dt is equal to, what is the derivative? 2 scalar taken outside, derivative of sin t is cos t minus derivative of sin 2t is cos 2t into derivative of 2t. So it is equal to 2 into cos t minus cos 2t, derivative of 2 scalar taken outside, derivative of t is 1. With respect to t it is 1. Derivative of t with respect to t is 1. So it is 2 into cos t minus 2 into cos of 2t. This is your value for dy by dt. Now by derivatives of parametric functions, what is dy by dx? dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx upon dt. So what is the value of dy by dt? See, dx upon dt को 1 दे दो, dy by dt को 2 दे दो. So what is dy by dt? 2 into cos t minus 2 into cos of 2t. Denominator minus 2 sin t minus 2 sin 2t. Now here from numerator as well as denominator you can take out 2 common. So 2 taken common. So in bracket what is remaining? Cos t minus cos 2t. From denominator you can take out minus 2 common. So sin t plus sin 2t. Here 2 get cancelled. So this is your value for dy by dx. This is your value for dy by dx. Okay. But what we require? We require the value of dy by dx at t is equal to pi by 4. So what you will write? So at t is equal to pi by 4. dy by dx at t is equal to pi by 4. It is equal to what? At the where it is t, we will replace this t by pi by 4. जहाँ जहाँ पे t है उसको क्या करोगे आप? pi by 4 से replace कर दोगे. So it is cos of pi by 4 minus cos of 2 into pi by 4. What is 2 into pi by 4? See here I am writing 2 into pi by 4 is pi by 2. pi by 2 वो आपको करके भी देखने की ज़रूरत नहीं, लेकिन मैंने डायरेक्ट अगर मैं पाई बाई 2 लिख देती हूँ तो बच्चों को लगता है कि कैसे आ गया यहाँ पे पाई बाई 2. सो 2 इंटू टी का वैल्यू क्या है? पाई बाई 4. सो टी 2 इंटू पाई बाई 4 इज पाई बाई 2. सो इट इज़ कॉस ऑफ पाई बाई 2 डिवाइडेड बाय माइनस साइन एज इट इज़ साइन ऑफ pi by 4 plus sine of 2 into pi by 4. 2 into 90 is, sorry, 2 into 45 is 90. So it is sine of pi by 2. Same method. What is the value of cos of pi by 4? Cos 45 1 by root 2. Cos 90 0. Outside it is minus sine of pi by 4 1 by root 2. Sine 90 1. So it is equal to 1 by root 2 divided by minus of 1 plus root 2 divided by root 2. Root 2 get cancelled. So what is the final answer? So value of dy by dx at t is equal to pi by 4 is given by, at t is equal to pi by 4 is given by minus of 1 divided by 1 plus root 2. माइनस ऑफ सी, ये जो माइनस साइन है डिनोमिनेटर का ये मैंने न्यूमरेटर में ले लिया. सो इट इज़ माइनस ऑफ 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 1 प्लस रूट 2. ये हो गया आपका रिक्वायर्ड आंसर. ओके, दिस इज टी इज इक्वल टू पाई बाय 4. नाउ नेक्स्ट x इज इक्वल टू, नाउ दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 थोड़े अलग टाइप से स्टार्ट हो रहा है. यहाँ पे पहले वाले में हमें डायरेक्ट उन्होंने t इज इक्वल टू पाई बाय 4 या फिर t इज इक्वल टू रूट 3 के लिए वैल्यूज़ फाइंड आउट करने के लिए बोला था. नाउ हियर इट इज शो दैट डी वाई बाई डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू लाइक दिस. दीज आर द प्रॉब्लम. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 सेकेंड प्रॉब्लम. इफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू ई रेज टू साइन 3t एंड वाई इज इक्वल टू ई रेज टू कॉस 3t, देन शो दैट डी वाई बाई डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू माइनस ऑफ वाई अपॉन एक्स और माइनस ऑफ वाई इंटू लॉग एक्स डिवाइडेड बाई एक्स इंटू लॉग वाई. नाउ हियर इट इज़, यू कैन सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम यूजिंग 2 मेथड्स. आप ये प्रॉब्लम 2 मेथड से भी सॉल्व कर सकते हो. दोनों मेथड ईजी भी है, सेम मेथड से ही जा रही है दोनों भी मेथड. मैं अभी आपको फर्स्ट मेथड समझा देती हूँ. सो हियर x इज इक्वल टू ई रेज टू साइन 3t. सी सेकेंड मेथड, यहाँ पे तो अभी मैं डायरेक्ट डेरिवेटिव निकाल रही हूँ. सेकेंड मेथड क्या हो जाएगा? यू कैन टेक लॉग ऑन बोथ साइड. सो लॉग ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू साइन 3t हो जाएगा. क्यों लॉग ले रहे हैं हम? क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो आर एच एस है आपका वो लॉग के टर्म्स में है. यहाँ पे जो आर एच एस है वो लॉग के टर्म्स में है, तो आप वो भी ले सकते हो. ओके, तो अगर आपको चाहिए तो वो भी मेथड से मैं समझा सकती हूँ. और डायरेक्टली सी यहाँ पे लॉग है इसलिए हम यहाँ पे क्या कर सकते हैं? लॉग ले सकते हैं. सो आई एम टेकिंग द लॉग ऑन बोथ साइड. सो लॉग ऑफ एक्स, ये एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में है तो इसको अगर लॉगरिथमिक फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है तो व्हाट यू विल राइट? सो लॉग ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू sin 3t. Log of x is equal to sin of 3t. Now x is a function of t, y is also a function of t. So differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. So derivative of log x 1 upon x into dx by dt. It is equal to derivative of sin 3t cos 3t into derivative of 3t into derivative of 3t. So it is equal to 1 upon x into dx by dt is equal to cos 3t. 3 scalar taken outside, derivative of t is 1. So it is equal to 3 into cos of 3t. This is your value for 1 upon x into dx by dt. 1 upon x into dx by dt. Okay, but what we require, we have to find the value of dx by dt. Hence what is dx by dt? It is equal to, ये जो x है वो आर एच एस में मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. सो इट इज x इंटू 3 इंटू cos of 3t. and what is x? What is x? x is nothing but e raised to sin 3t into 3 into cos of 3t. Okay, what is x? x is nothing but e raised to sin 3t. So we have substituted here value for x 3 cos 3t as it is. Okay, similarly we will find a value for y. Similarly we will find a value for y. Now what is y? And y is equal to, y is given e raised to cos 3t. As we require here value for log y, RHS देख लेने का पहले कि प्रूव क्या करना है हमें. So here take log और एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म है वो लॉगरिथमिक फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, या फिर दोनों साइड में लॉग ले सकते हो आप, तो ये e निकल जाएगा डायरेक्टली, ये टर्म आ जाएगा. ओके, सो हेंस यू कैन राइट हियर log of y is equal to cos of 3t. Now again y is a function of t, so differentiate with respect to t. Derivative of log 1 upon y into dy by dx, 1 upon y into dy by dx. It is equal to derivative of cos is minus sin 3t into derivative of 3t, minus sin 3t into derivative of 3t. So it is equal to 1 upon y into dy by dx. It is equal to minus of sin of 3t, 3 scalar taken outside, derivative of t is 1. So it is equal to minus 3 into sin 3t, 1 upon y into dy by dt, dy by dt. You are differentiating with respect to t, we are differentiating with respect to t. Okay, तो यहाँ पे गलती से मैंने x लिख दिया था, उसको t कर देने का. So here it is, what is dy by dt? dy by dt is equal to, take this y on RHS, so it is equal to minus of y into 3 into sin 3t. And what is the value of y? Y is equal to e raised to cos 3t. So it is equal to e raised to cos 3t into 3 into sin 3t. This is your value for dy by dt. तो यहाँ पे जो dx by dt निकाला है आपने उसको 1 दे दो, और जो dy by dt निकाला है उसको 2 दे दो. So by derivatives of parametric functions, by derivatives of parametric functions, what is dy by dx? dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx upon dt. So what is the value of dy by dt? It is minus of e raised to cos 3t into 3 into sin 3t. Denominator e raised to sin 3t into 3 into cos 3t. So here 3 get cancelled, 3 get cancelled, minus sign as it is. And what is e raised to cos 3t? See what we require the answer in the form of x and y. So what is e raised to cos 3t? E raised to cos 3t is nothing but y, and e raised to sin 3t is nothing but x. Okay, so what we will write here, y, और इसको हम डाल देंगे x into. Now here it is sin 3t. What is the value of sin 3t? Sin 3t is equal to log x, and cos 3t is equal to log y. Sin 3t is equal to log x, and cos 3t is equal to log of y, which is nothing but we have to prove dy by dx is equal to. So this is your value for dy by dx. Hence proved. Hence proved. जो आपको प्रूव करना था वो प्रूव हो गया. ओके, ये एक ईजी मेथड है. और आप क्या कर सकते हो, वो भी सेकंड वाला भी मेथड ईजी है. डायरेक्टली यू कैन डिफरेंशिएट हियर dx by dt एंड dy by dt. e रेस टू x इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ साइन 3t आ जाएगा cos 3t इंटू 3. वो केस में आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा कि आगे जाके ये इक्वेशंस को लॉग लेना पड़ेगा, तो लॉग आपको लेना ही पड़ेगा. ओके, सो नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टार्टिंग विद द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम. Fourth problem, question number 3, fourth problem. If x is equal to a into cos cube t and y is equal to a into sin cube t, then show that dy by dx is equal to minus of y upon x raised to 1 by 3. Now I'm starting with the solution. X is a function of t and y is also a function of t. So we will differentiate with respect to t. Parameter is t here. So dx upon dt, it is equal to a scalar taken outside, derivative of cos cube t, derivative of cos cube t. What is the derivative of cos cube t? 3 into cos square t into derivative of cos t into derivative of cos t. So it is equal to 3 into a cos square t into derivative of cos t is minus of sin t. So it is equal to minus 3a cos square t into sin t, cos square t into sin of t. This is your value for dx by dt. Now what is y? Y is equal to a into sin cube t. Now differentiate with respect to t. So derivative dy by dt is given by a, scalar taken outside, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ साइन क्यूब टी. साइन क्यूब टी का डेरिवेटिव आ जाएगा 3 इंटू साइन स्क्वायर टी इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ साइन टी इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ साइन टी. सो इट इज इक्वल टू 3 इंटू ए sin square t, derivative of sin t is cos t. Let this equation be 2. Let this equation be 2. Okay. Now by derivatives of parametric functions, by derivatives of parametric functions, what is dy by dx? dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx upon dt. So put here value. What is dy by dt? 3 into a sin square t cos t. And what is dx by dt? Minus 3a cos square t into sin t. 3a get cancelled. Cos t cancelled with square. Sin t cancelled with square. So what is remaining? It is equal to minus of, see the sign is minus, sin divided by cos tan of t, minus of tan of t. But what we have to prove? We have to prove it is equal to minus of y by x raised to 1 by 3. So if you see here, it is sin upon cos, sin upon cos. So we can adjust the terms with this x and y, but वो थोड़ा difficult हो जाएगा. तो हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे? See what is your LHS? LHS क्या है आपका? dy by dx, and we have already find out the जो हमने LHS का वैल्यू क्या कर दिया है, पहले ही फाइंड आउट कर दिया है. सो LHS इज इक्वल टू dy by dx is equal to minus of tan of t. Let this equation be 3. Now what is RHS? RHS क्या है? What is RHS here? What we have to prove? Minus of y by x. So take this minus of y by x raised to 1 by 3. ये थोड़ा इजी हो जाएगा प्रॉब्लम. ओके, माइनस ऑफ वाई बाई एक्स रेज टू 1 बाई 3 हमने पहले से क्या कर लिया है? RHS ले लिया है. सो क्या करेंगे हम उसके आगे कि LHS और RHS का वैल्यू सेम आना चाहिए. तो RHS का वैल्यू क्या आना चाहिए अभी आपका? माइनस ऑफ tan t. ओके, सो हियर माइनस साइन टेकन आउटसाइड. व्हाट इज y? y is equal to a into sin cube t and x is equal to a into cos cube t. So I am substituting y, a into sin cube t divided by x का वैल्यू है a into cos cube t raised to 1 divided by 3. a get cancelled. It is equal to minus of sin cube upon tan cos cube, tan cube t raised to 1 by 3. tan cube t raised to 1 by 3. इंडेक्स raised to इंडेक्स, इंडेक्स raised to इंडेक्स रहता है तो क्या हो जाता है? इंडेक्स मल्टीप्लाई हो जाते हैं. सो 3 into 1 by 3, 3 into 1 by 3, 3 get cancelled. So it is equal to minus of tan t. It is equal to minus of tan t. So let this equation be 4. So here LHS is equal to minus tan t and RHS is also equal to minus of tan t. So from 3 and 4, what you can write? dy by dx is equal to minus of y by x raised to 1 by 3. From 3 and 4, as both the values are minus of tan t, so dy by dx is equal to minus of y by x raised to 1 by 3. This is the easiest method for this problem. Okay, now we will see the next problem, sixth one. So here it is. ओके, इसके आगे हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में कंटिन्यू करेंगे. ये होगा नहीं कंप्लीट. ओके, थैंक यू.